So in today's how-to guide, I'm going to teach you how to use a stop end. So these come in 15, 22, 28, loads of different varieties, elbows, straights, etc. Really good to get you out of the trouble, or if you're trying to do sort of a temp fix as well, if you've got a leak and you need to cap something off. Very, very simple. If you've got copper pipe, you don't need an insert. If you're using plastic pipe, you need an insert which goes into the pipe, but you can get them when you're buying your stop end. So simple. So quite a lot of people put that on there, give it a bit of pressure and think, oh, that's tight, but it's not actually tight on there. What you need to do is apply more pressure, and you can feel that it bites down, and now it's properly onto the pipe. So if you imagine if that was another pipe coming into there with an elbow and there was water running through it, it's not going to go anywhere now, and that is on there nice and tight. So make sure when you're using these stop ends or using any push fit fittings, make sure you push them down and they give that little bit of like a, yeah, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. You need that little bite, because I've done quite a few where I haven't quite pushed it in far enough and then you get leaks. So there you go, top tip, when you're using your stop ends or you're using push fit, just make sure you're giving it a good push down and trying that out so you don't get any leaks. Job done. Until the next one.